I'm Venkat R from Young India IAS Academy. Today I'm going to be naming the first 15 of the presidents of India. So the first president is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And the second president is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And the third president is Zakir Hussain. And the fourth president is B.V. Gill. And the fifth president is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed.